Today we're gonna solve a problem with containing a loop current method. So these are given. Now 15 volts and R1 is 21 ohms, R2 53 ohms, R3 58 ohms, R4 25 ohms, and R5 81 ohms. So we have a loop 1, loop 2, and loop 3. So this is our diagram for our loop 1. 15 volts and the R1 here and R2 here. 53 ohms. So our solution is V1 minus R1, I1 minus I3 minus R2, I1 minus I2 equals to 0. So substitute given. So V1 is 15 volts minus R1 21 ohms, I1 minus I3, R2 53 ohms, I1 minus I2 equals to 0. So combine same terms. So let's substitute the value of I1. So 15 volts minus 21 ohms, I1 plus 21 ohms, I3 minus 53 ohms, I1 plus 53 ohms, I2 equals 0. So here now, combine the same terms. So 74 ohms for I1 minus 53 ohms for I2 minus 21 ohms for I3 equals 15 volts. So this is our loop 1. We're gonna solve for the I2. So this is our diagram for I2 that we get from this diagram. So the solution for getting the I2 or the loop 2 is R2 I2 minus I1 plus R3 I2 minus I3 plus R4 I2 equals to 0. So substitute the value for the R. So we got R2 is 53 ohms, I2 minus I1 plus R3 is 58 ohms, I2 minus I3 plus R4 is 25 ohms, I2. Then substitute the value for the close and open parenthesis. So 53 ohms I2 minus 53 ohms I1 plus 58 ohms I2 minus 58 ohms I3 plus 25 ohms I2 equals to 0. Then combine same terms. So we have negative 53 ohms for I1 plus 136 ohms for I2 minus 58 ohms I3 equals to 0. So, it is our loop 2. Now, we're going to solve for the I3. So, this is our diagram for loop 3 that we get from this diagram. So, the solution for the loop 3 is R1 I3 minus I1 plus R3 I3 minus I2 plus R5 I3 equals 0. Then substitute the given. So our R1 is 21 ohms, I3 minus I1, and 58 ohms for R3 I3 minus I2 plus R5 is 81 ohms, I3 equals to 0. Then substitute or identify same terms. So negative 21 ohms for I1 minus 58 ohms for I2 plus 136 ohms for I3 equals to 0. So this is our loop 3. We're going to solve for delta by using matrix in our calculator. So first equation is our loop 1. So we have 74 and negative 53 and negative 21. And our loop 2 or equation 2 is negative 53 and 136 and negative 58. Then our equation 3 or our loop 3 is negative 21 and negative 58 and 136. So this is our delta. By using matrix method, that's a value of 628,200. Next, we're gonna solve for our delta sub 3. By using matrix, but we're gonna change this into our equals. So 74 minus negative 53 and the negative 51 will be changed into 15 and negative 53 136 and negative 58 will be changed into 0. So negative 21, negative 58, and 136 will be changed into 0 also. So our delta sub 3 is equals to delta sub 3 is equals to 88,950. Then we solve for our I3, and our formula for this is delta 3 over delta. So our delta 3 is 88,950 equals 88,950, and our delta is, as you can remember, we have 628,200. 628,200. So our I3 is equals to 0.1416 amperes. Amperes is the unit for the current. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching.